Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Paris the Empress, and here again with another video for you guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't, and follow me on my social media, which will be Paris the Empress. So today I decided to just go ahead and do a review on one of the products that I ended up getting from Walmart today. I didn't get it on a whim. I took a lot of time doing some research. I probably should have looked at places like Amazon. I did look at Wish. I got a ring light that never came at all. But I ended up going to Walmart and figured, hey, my birthday's right around the corner. Like, all these holidays are coming up. My birthday is like 5 days after Christmas. I'm a Capricorn, Team Cap, and I figured, let me just go ahead and get my birthday present already. So I got this, and I'll explain in a little bit all the things that it actually features. In the meantime, I want to explain why I got it. The sole purpose was because of the fact that it had a microphone, a big microphone at that. So there were other options I could actually choose from, but I figured, let me just go ahead and go with getting this particular brand. There was a standalone microphone that all I had to do, now since I have an iPhone, I was gonna have to get an adapter because there's no separating the audio jack as well as the charging port. Your sound and everything is within the charging port. So if you want a headset, it has to be an Apple brand, and I have the iPhone XR. So I figured, since I'm gonna end up having to do that anyway, I'll go ahead and get an adapter. But I saw a ring light next to it and I was like, okay, maybe I could just combine those two. But then I see again this, which came up to about $40. That's how much it was. The standalone microphone was $8 to $9 plus tax, probably even more than that. And then for sure that ring light was gonna run you about $20 plus tax, but wasn't that bad of a deal. It really wasn't. And this was the Walmart in DeSoto, Texas. So I ended up getting this, and I already put the main structure of it together, the frame as well as the tripod. So I got a whole new tripod. I already have a flexible tripod, but I like having ones to choose from. So I ended up getting this, or deciding to just go ahead and get this. So here's all the things that it actually comes with. It comes with a 50 LED light. It comes with 3 color diffusers. It comes with a microphone, a tripod with a remote, a bracket, and a smartphone and action camera mount. What it doesn't come with, well, I'll get to that, but it's compatible with live action camera, smartphone, as well as just a regular camera. But what it doesn't come with is this part right here to hold your equipment if you're gonna use your camera. So definitely invest in one of these mounts on top of this, so that way it can hold. And I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. The mount that I have on the tripod that I'm using currently, I ended up having to get from, what is it called, a selfie stick that I had. So I wish that, I'm not sure if they sell those by themselves. I'm gonna have to double check. Yet I already have most of it down right now. So this is the bracket this is the tripod. It comes with a Bluetooth remote. That's what it comes with. There is a way to actually get this out, and the battery, as soon as you open this up, it's within it. And it's flimsy right now, but that's because I'm using this mount for the tripod that I have currently, and it is movable as well. So if you aren't even using a cell phone, then you can adjust it however it is that you want. Like if you're using a GoPro or something like that, then you can just have it all the way up here. There is a way to loosen it as well using this particular part, and to tighten it, you gotta screw it to the left and you'll be good. So the only two parts that I actually have here are just the microphone and my LED light. The LED light comes with an adapter. Well, not an adapter, but this part right here, I believe, if you need to charge it, because it does have its own power bank. Now, these are the colors. Let me explain the colors. There is a orange color, and the orange is actually for if you want to change the background setting, and as well as the tone, make it a little bit warmer. We have blue if you want a cooler tone, and then we have white to get rid of glare. Let me turn this off real fast, because that hurts my eyes. Now, the way that you're gonna put this on, oh no, I still have tape on it, is basically just going to be like this. And I don't know why I keep on trying to blind y'all. I'm gonna definitely use this light in the next video that I make. Just kind of, I'm just gonna play with it a little bit. I may not even do a complete video or anything like that, but I'm just gonna play with the different diffusers that they have. Now, in terms of the microphone, you have the option of switching over to phone or camera depending on what it is that you have. And obviously this bad boy right here is gonna go in here. And I'm pretty sure once I actually plug it up, it'll be on, but I'm just gonna leave this in here. And once I get back to my truck, I'll actually put it together a little bit more. Now, that's all I really have. I'm gonna kind of be the tester for this to see how it is with the next upcoming videos that I make. I'll probably go back to that same Walmart unless I go to another one that has that ring light, because I really wanted that ring light. But when I saw how powerful this LED light was, and all a ring light is a whole bunch of LED lights anyway, but in the form of a circle, I was like, I want this. So we'll just see how this goes. Again, like, comment, subscribe, but I'm not sure if I said this. One more thing. You're trying to make a YouTube video, definitely it's your setup. If you're able to make YouTube videos, make sure you have a good setup and you have good equipment, so that way you're able to. But that's all. I'm gonna go play Skyrim. Peace.